Hi everyone, on this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the color of your video in Davinci Resolve. So if you want to do some color correction for your video, this is how you can do it. So first, go ahead and import a video on your timeline, and once you imported a video on your timeline, go to color, and in here you need to go to color wheels. So in the color wheels, you have the option to adjust the lift, gamma, gain, and the offset as well as the shadow, the highlights, the color boost, saturation, hue, temperature, tint, and the contrast here in color wheel. So if you want to adjust the lift, you just go to the slider on the side and then drag it left to right. So if you drag it to the left, the value will be decreased. If you drag it to the right, the value will be increased. So another thing here is another section for the color adjustment is the HDR grade. So if you click this HDR grade, you'll see that you can actually adjust the dark, shadow, light, and the global setting of the color of your video. And there's actually temperature, tint, and contrast, something like that here in HDR wheel. So here you can adjust it by just dragging this slider as well. Alright, from left to right. So that's how you change the color of your video in Davinci Resolve. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.